Alright guys, I got a quick video for you guys today. This is going to be on a Volkswagen Jetta with a 2-liter GDI engine. So basically the customer brought the car in. It's misfiring, puffing white smoke, and it's just really not running right. Now, a little bit of backstory onto this car. This car went to the dealer and they changed a few parts onto it. Okay, we have a new GDI pump, new lines, new PCV system, and I really wouldn't be able to tell you what else, but from what I understand, the customer said that there was a lot of money put into this car. Now, with all that being said, I get the car, I bring the car in, I see that the car is puffing white smoke, and the smoke smells like raw fuel. Okay, there's a big difference between white smoke coming out of the exhaust and it being coolant that's being burnt and raw fuel that's being pushed out of the exhaust. Now, I take the hotel and I scan for codes. Now, the codes that are active into the system are a cylinder number 2 misfire. I have a cylinder bank 1 rich code and a fuel pump low pressure code, which would probably indicate why they replaced the high pressure pump, but it didn't fix the issue. So the first step I did was that I decided to remove my spark plug first. Now when I removed my spark plug was fouled with fuel onto my cylinder number 2. So the next step I did was that I decided I wanted to see what my fuel pressure was at. Now, this is where things got pretty interesting. And I got 2 hotels up on the screen right now. In front of me. One is doing the fuel pump control, and I got another one inside the cylinder onto the maxi video. Now I'm just gonna move the car a little bit, and I don't know if you guys see all that moving around in there. This is where I found that it got really interesting. So basically what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take and I'm gonna activate the fuel pump. I'm gonna show you guys the pressure gauge, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on inside the cylinder. So we're gonna start this. Okay, we're gonna watch our gauge. Our gauge is starting to climb, perfect. And look inside my cylinder, and we're gonna stop that. So this vehicle has a fuel injector that is stuck open, which is causing my rich condition, my misfire, and my low fuel rail pressure onto my high pressure side. Why? Because it's not able to attain a proper pressure because of the leaky injector. So I just thought I'd make this quick video. This was a very, very quick diagnosis. I think I was on the car maybe about 25 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.